Hi everybody, it's Craig here. 22nd of December, almost at Christmas. Only a couple of activities in the Arduino Advent Calendar toolkit to go. Today's activity is about something called a reed switch, which I don't really know much about. I think it's maybe something to do with magnetics on some level, but I really don't understand what a reed switch is. So I'm going to open up the packet for the day and we'll take a look at what it's all about. Okay, so let's start by opening up the packet and seeing exactly what a reed switch in this situation looks like. Alright, so I think the most interesting part of it is this here. We can see two bits of metal. They are overlapping but not touching at the moment, and this is what we're going to be connecting up to the Arduino, but something will be interacting with this too, I'd say. Alright, very interesting. Let's see what's next. Oh well, let's have an introduction here. It says, do you have a magnetic personality? Today you will have found a reed switch in your calendar. That's true. Okay, insert the reed switch into the breadboard. We'll take out yesterday's sonar and pop this in, and the way they seem to have it positioned, I think, is in this direction. Sometimes doesn't go in completely smooth. There we go, nice and easy. Lovely. Alrighty, we are in. Now we're going to connect Arduino Digital 11 to the reed switch. Alrighty. So let's pop it there, let's pop it here. Digital 11 will be on this vertical here. And Digital 11, see, it's just here. Plug it in there. Alrighty, connect the Arduino ground to the reed switch. We can do that. The ground will be on this side. To the ground. And that's it. Just those two connections. All right. Let's see what's next. We have some code. Okay, so this is for, connected to digital pin 11. And we have the LED pin as well on the module. Okay, 9600 board. Okay, the reed pin is going to receive input pull-up and is going to push out an output. Sorry, the LED is going to give us our output. So the reed pin will take the input, the LED will show us an output. So proximity, digital read on the reed pin. So read the state of the switch. If the proximity is low, the switch is closed, at which case, and then, so turn the LED on as a magnet passes the reed switch. So that the LED will turn on when there is no magnet, when the switch is closed. No, sorry, I don't even know why I said that. It says turn the LED on as a magnet passes. So when the magnet passes, the LED will turn on and the switch on the reed will be closed. And then when the magnet leaves, the switch will be open, and the LED will turn off. Right, I'm understanding a little thing of what the reed switch is now. So whereas they are separate here, they are, I guess, considered open. There's two little bits of metal within there. they will close when a magnet comes close. The LED will turn on, and then when the magnet is no longer close, they will open back up and the LED will turn off. That makes perfect sense. Let's put some code in. We'll push it out. Okay, done uploading. And now we need a magnet. So I've just found this Australian standing stones in Glen Innes magnet my mum brought back from holidays once. Little Highland dancers there. And so what do we need to do? Bring the magnet close to the reed switch. And then I think this LED here, let's get it in focus, a bit blurry, will turn on. That's a bit hard to see, it's quite bright at the moment. But let's see, I'll tap the, oh, we should be able to look at the serial monitor, shouldn't we as well? To see how that records. Let's see, let's touch the magnet to the reed switch. Whoa, yeah, the switch is closed all right. Let's do that again. And we got a lot of that. I haven't looked at the LED yet. Yep, oh yeah, they definitely turn on, don't they? You can see just here the turning on of the LEDs when the magnet touches base. So what is actually happening in the reed switch? It's actually quite imperceptible to look at. I just wanted to see if you could actually see the bits of metal. It's not a bit hard to focus on it there in the light. So when I bring the magnet up, they close. It's very hard. I can't actually see them closing. They're so close to each other anyway and overlapping, but yeah, they make a closed signal when the magnet comes into play. And let me just clear the output on the serial monitor so we can see a difference when it says serial close. When it says it's closed, switch closed. Fantastic. Well, that was a nice simple activity. I know what a reed switch is now and how it works. The connections for that were very simple. It was just a matter of watching the code and understanding how that was interacting with the reed switch, and it worked first time, which is always a bonus. So thank you for watching, and 2 more days. Although I have also been issued a Boxing Day challenge that's going to involve me connecting quite a few parts up so from the Advent Calendar box. So we will see how I go with that. But in the meantime, hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow.